The sauce is incredible. Simplify good butter chicken recipes. It is now so much easier and absolutely delicious. Hi there, it's Landon. Detailed written recipe is in the description and the first comment. Now, this dish is way too easy, but if I have to say something, that would be your choice of chicken. Chicken breast is healthier with less fat, more popular, white meat, and a tiny bit easier to prepare, while chicken thighs are more tender, juicier due to higher fat content. So, care more for taste? Go with thighs. Want less calories? Go with breast. This is also a good dish for meal prepping. Friends, if you like this video, please consider helping out my tiny channel. Thank you so much. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.